3 months after Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi claimed that ISI agents had tried to recruit victims in Muzaffarnagar riot relief camps, some of the victims who deposed in the case have now claimed that two Haryana imams arrested last month for the suspected links to Lashkar-e-Toiba had allegedly visited the relief camps of the victims and tried to recruit them, but the victims rejected the offer. So that is in fact the shocking claim which has now come forward from the Muzaffarnagar riot victims who've deposed now. Getting us more details is Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, what are the other details that you're picking up on this extremely shocking revelation?
Dipti, first, it's a month-long operation that was carried out by intelligence agencies along with the special cell of the Delhi police. Initially, two teachers of a seminary were picked up by the Delhi police from Nuh and Mewat, which is on the outskirts of Gurgaon. They were questioned then, and initially the Delhi police claimed that they were planning to carry out a strike in the capital. But subsequently, it was found that Javed Baluchi, who is a Lashkar-e-Toiba commander based in Pakistan, he gave them a specific instruction to go and innovate, indoctrinate, or radicalize riot victims in Muzaffarnagar and also in Shamli. Now, these two persons, Mohammad Shahid and Rashid, who were in fact arrested by the Delhi police, had gone there and met a few of the riot victims. Now, the Delhi police then went, spoke to these riot victims, and last Saturday they were called in for questioning at the special cell office. And to give some amount of credence or some amount of weightage to this statement was formally recorded by the Delhi police on Monday. This was done before a metropolitan magistrate under section 164 CRPC, and the Delhi police have now said that they have busted a Lashkar attempt to infiltrate into the relief camps and also to motivate the riot victims. In fact, the Delhi police is likely to address a press conference at around 1 in the afternoon, where they will give the details of the entire operation that was carried out from November onwards.
Now, Bhavtosh, then this case becomes extremely serious. You're also telling us that the IB did intercept a few calls, and we are expecting a Delhi police conference later today in the day. And somewhere, this does open up the cracks which we were already talking about how these riot victims are literally used by, such people.
Well, this is not the first time this will happen. If we look back into 2002 Gujarat riots, even then those who were living in the relief camps were motivated, and some of them eventually joined Indian Mujahideen. Many say that Indian Mujahideen cropped up only after the Gujarat riots. At the same time, one must also ask the question as to who was the person who briefed Rahul Gandhi, because it was an ongoing operation. He made this statement in a public rally in Indore, where he said that ISI agents have tried to touch base with the riot victims. So it was an ongoing operation. Details of ongoing operation was given to Rahul Gandhi. It's a question that one must ask special cell as well as intelligence agencies as to who briefed Rahul Gandhi when the operation was still taking place.